Hello there traders, and welcome to another update on the market. For today I decided to cover New Zealand dollar versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the New Zealand dollar versus US dollar first. So basically what I found here, I found some very interesting condition on the weekly time frame. I will start from the weekly time frame. There is a bull divergence. Basically, last week we had a breakout of the previous swing low, and the market actually closed in the middle, which is not that good sign overall for the weakness and the momentum. Actually, there is a big divergence, bullish divergence on the weekly time frame. If we go to the lower frames, it seems like the 4-hour. Let me zoom in the 4-hour time frame. It seems like 4-hour. We're having the ABC kind of structure here, and we can expect, at least from my perspective, at least the price to revisit the highs around 0.6370 or 0.6395. And if there's even bigger power, then we can expect maybe even the market all the way up to the highs around 0.6550, 555. But again, first and foremost, this swing high. So my advice basically to watch for intraday buying opportunities on the deeps on the New Zealand versus US dollar. If we speak about gold market is basically still in the sideways. So there is no bigger money flow on the gold. Seems like nobody from the bigger players are interested now to, at this stage, we see that there is no bigger momentum breakouts or anything like that. The weekly time frame is also pretty flat. Daily frame flat, 4-hour flat. So overall we have a flat condition. Now I would like to see that price, just, again, the same thing like in the previous forecast, the price to basically, I would like to see the price to break this consolidation on the daily. So if we take the low 1815, we can enable 1806 or 1792. If we take the high in 1858, then we can enable the price to go towards 1875, 1878. So watch for the breakout of this consolidation. Speaking of the crude oil, we have the inside day yesterday. So we have clearly inside day here formation, and so far today, current day is also inside the previous day. So we have a balancing regime. Now, do we'll go from this balance and continue with the downside movement, or basically from this consolidation we start to go higher? We will need to see. Basically, if the market can clear the low and go below 145, then we can open the door for lows in 98.50 or maybe 95 area. If we clear the high around 107 mark, then eventually we can go towards the 110.70, maybe even towards the 112.50. So again, consolidation from the short-term horizon to the mid-term horizon. So watch for the breakout on this market. And basically Bitcoin versus US dollar. Let me go from the weekly. Weekly is in the lower Keltner. There is no divergence or anything. Daily basically got some reaction of basically now is balancing. We can see here that we have multi-day balance. So again, this market is balancing, and if you clear the high at 21,825, we can open the door for test of 23,000. If we clear the low at 19,745, then we can open the door for 18,000 mark. So again, watch for potential breakout on this market. That'll be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe, have a good weekend, and speak to you for Monday next week.